Hello YouTube, my name is Cel, and today we are gonna watch the birds for some reason video. I have actually never seen this before. I've only recently seen it pop up a couple times, so I kind of got curious. I like birds though, so I'm looking forward to it. Without further ado, let's have a looky together. Let's go.
Met her on the way to Chicago, where she
Oh.
was all alone. And so as I saw her ask her name, she smiled and looked at me.
Oh, it's a dancing bird. I don't remember the name of this bird. But this is also giving me like a Becky, let me smash vibes. It's giving me Becky. Because they're like trying to mate and or attract a mate. I followed Becky. No, it's not. It's not. It's a different creator. But it has very similar vibes. And this song is very catchy too.
I was surprised to see.
Oh my god, they look so shocked.
Like that was really into me. She said she didn't have no man.
Oh my god!
She told me she was all alone. Said I don't think she had no one. She said get on page 59.
Oh, that bird had no chance. This little birdie had no chance. Oh god. I wish I had moves like that. Oh my god, he's getting outmocked by this weirdly human-like bird. Yep. They're all different species too, but let's not think about that part. Or maybe they aren't.
Never would have thought she was living like
Oh no!
her words seemed
No.
so sincere.
I'm sorry. Did you see the face of that female? Why is she looking like that? Why is she looking like that at him? He should be the one looking like that at her, okay? Okay? Not the other way around. Now this man is just... Look at him.
When I held her near, she
No.
told me how
No.
she feels.
Flashback.
Real to me. This
I hope the dude is just dancing for him, okay? Leave her alone. Go to the man, okay? He's so sad. That will be a nice plot twist.
girl she had to be.
Oh, he's passing her! He's passing her! He's doing it! He's doing it!
She said
Ah! Let's go! Let's go! You did it! You did it!
she was all alone. Said
Be gone, wench. Be gone! Be gone! Oh. Beautiful, beautiful plot twist. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at them, so romantic. Oh, sorry. Wait. Wait, I want to... Sorry, I'm just... I'm sorry, lady. I'm sorry. Did you not see the way he was looking at him? Look at him. Zoom. Yep. You are getting ignored, girl. It was over before it began. Yes. Look at these eyes. Look at him. He's amazing. He's amazing. Okay, wait. Let me watch that again. Damn, those moves. Oh. Poor thing. The facial expressions are so good. They are so freaking good. These are also meme-morphy too. Those, I feel like, honestly, I feel like the expressions might be all references to memes. At least that's the vibe that I'm getting. It seems all vaguely reminiscent, familiar.
sent from heaven.
Poor
just
thing.
for me.
Dun dun. Look at that chat. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I loved it. I love it. I love it. I love these birds. Those silly, silly birds. That was amazing. Thank you for watching the video. If you had a good time, make sure to like and subscribe. Maybe even drop by our Twitch streams where we watch these videos together and play games and more. For now though, I'll have to say goodbye, so hopefully I see you guys next time again. Bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye back. Bye. Bye 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 bye.